Durian is a distinctive tropical fruit known for its strong, pungent aroma and spiky outer husk. Native to Southeast Asia, it's often called the king of fruits. Durian has a sweet custard-like flesh that can be white or golden yellow, and contains large chestnut-brown seeds. While loved by many for its unique flavor, the intense smell often leads to bans in public transportation and certain establishments in Southeast Asia. Among all the durians grown in Southeast Asia, there is also the Cambodian durian. And the durians grown in Cambodia are natural durians that do not use chemicals, making the durians of good quality. Now let's learn about the benefits of durian. Benefits of natural durian in Cambodia. 1. Full of nutrients. Contains vitamin C, B1, B6, and iron, organic matter, fiber, and potassium. Helps strengthen the immune system and generate energy. 2. Helps increase energy. Contains natural sugars, glucose, fructose that are quickly used as energy. 3. Helps reduce bad fat. Contains antioxidants that make the heart healthy and help lower LDL cholesterol. 4. Helps digestion. The fiber in durian helps release toxins and digestion. 5. Helps reduce stress and improve sleep. Contains tryptophan, a substance that helps the brain release serotonin and melatonin, which makes you feel good and sleepy. 6. No harmful chemicals. Naturally grown durian, see chemical-free producers, is very safe for consumers, especially for children and pregnant women. Good news for Cambodian farmers. Cambodian Anggur durian is becoming an important export product to China and Vietnam. Natural cultivation helps protect the environment and increases the value of the healthy variety. If you all think this video is useful, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.